Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make egg fried rice, and the ingredients you need for this is 1 bowl of pre-cooked rice. If you'd like to know how to cook rice, then please watch my video on how to cook rice in a rice cooker. The link to that will be in the description box below. Next, you need 4 cloves chopped garlic, 1 chopped onion, 3 eggs, spices and salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. You may notice that these are the main essential spices that I use in all of my food. And then for garnishing, you need half a fresh tomato chopped into small pieces. That's optional, you don't need it, but I like it. And finely chopped coriander. I'm going to heat up 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and then to that I'm going to add the garlic, fry that a little bit until golden brown. Okay, once it's golden brown, I'm going to add in the onions. And fry the onions for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to put in the salt. Give it a little stir, and then put in the rest of the spices. And stir, and let it cook for about a minute. Make a well in the center, ready for the eggs. So the eggs can go in one at a time. Stir them in. Roll around and wait for it to set for a bit. Now it's time to add the rice in. Add it all in. And stir. Stir into the mixture. Once the rice is nicely mixed in, I'm going to put in the chopped tomatoes and then the coriander and mix it all in. On top of that, I'm going to put in a squeeze of lemon juice and mix it all in. All done. Here is the egg fried rice, ready to serve. Please like, comment and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.